Hello my loves, welcome back to Moondrop's YouTube. Let me fix this first. So for today's lesson I'm gonna draw eyes and ears. Didn't forget it, right? Drawing cross line first. For beginners, let's draw a circle like this. And draw a long line on the top of the circle. Then draw a short line under it. Then we are going to make lines thicker. This is eyelashes. Now connect upper line and lower line together. It somewhat look like this eye have makeup. Put one more line on top to make eye look bigger. Then draw under eyelashes. Just draw it, don't worry about messing up. Put some more lines to make eye detailed. Then we're going to draw real eyelashes. Left lines to the left, right lines to the right. Make line thicker, look like more detailed. Now we are going to make circle detailed. One more smaller circle inside. For eye detail, I draw some random lines like this. A lot of dots might help you to make eye more detailed. And then this is shadow part. Leave the highlight part of the eye. And make shadow part more dark. Shadows on white part also. So we are done with detailed eyes. This is simple version of it. Now let's move to draw detailed ear. Draw like question mark but with less curve. Simple version of it is like this. So the inside of ears look like this. Put a shadow inside and we're done. And this is much more simple version. Just draw half circle, put number 6, that's it. So now when you're drawing face, think about this. When I draw eyes, I try to make it feel alive. I have no idea if I draw a girl or boy. I hope you guys enjoy watching this video and it helps you. Subscribe and like this video will help me a lot. I will see you guys with next content. Bye!